Okay, we're going to go to Fluent, Geometry, Design Modeler. Okay, once we're here, we go to Units, Millimeter, click the XY plane, Sketch, draw a rectangle, dimensions, so 250. Fine. Okay. Concept. So for some sketches. Okay, now this is done, we can close it. Open up mesh. I have the mesh opened up. Click on here. Right click. Insert method. Select this. Generate. Go back to mesh. Sizing. Pick the edges. Number divisions, 400. And the behavior is hard. Okay, now do the same thing for the top and bottom edge. Okay, now we go to mesh again, insert face meshing. Pick a pod. Click generate. Okay, now we'll check the mesh, see if it's good. Now go back to edge select, and name all the edges. This one's inlet. Outlet. Top wall. Bottom wall. And that's it for the meshing. You can close it. Now I gotta update the mesh. Okay, now go to setup. I want double precision. Okay, go to models, the viscous model, put one in there. Materials, fluid, air. Density is 1. Viscosity 0.00005. This will give us a lower Reynolds number of 1000. I go boundary conditions, inlet, meters per second, outlet, pressure outlet with 0 gauge pressure, top wall, make sure it's a wall. Okay, reference values, compute from the inlet. We go initialization, hybrid initialization. Then do run calculations, 500 iterations, calculate. Okay, go back to Workbench, open up the results. Yeah, I click the Z-axis, go to contours, velocity. Location symmetry form, variable velocity view. We'll do 50 contours. Okay, now move this selection out the way. Horizontal variance size of 1, aspect of 0.05. Okay, now we can add our location for that chart. Okay, this would be that's at 50 milliliters. Oh, we need 100 samples. Okay, add another line. Mid-layer. Another one at the end of it. Okay, now we can make our chart. This would be a 50 millimeter line. X-axis, velocity u, y-axis, y, press apply. Okay, 2 more data series. The second one would be midway. Y. So at the end. Okay, then that's everything for the Hosea full flow. Okay, now we can do our color flow for the Fluent. For our viscosity, we need 0.001. Boundary conditions, inlet, we change it to a pressure inlet. Now the top wall is going to be moving. 0.1 meters per second. Reference values from the inlet again. Initialize it. Now run the calculation. Just wait for this calculation to finish. Okay, I go to post. Refresh the data. Okay, see the velocity contour. See how it's linear now. Just hit apply again. See how this green line linear. Okay, now let's do the hybrid flow. So we're going to go air again. Viscosity of 0.0000001. It's 5 zeros. Okay. Boundary conditions. Now the inlet is going to be a velocity inlet. The magnitude is 0.1 to match the top wall velocity. Reference values from the inlet. Initialization, hybrid, press initialize. And run the calculation. Okay, now the calculation is complete. Go back to the pros, update it. See how at the top wall you can see the no slip condition, and it still has that parabolic shape. You can see here, this is moving at like 0.1 meters per second. That's everything.